All right, welcome back. Today we are going to make a regular mailbox. So let's go ahead and add a cube, size it on the Z-axis by hitting Shift and Z, size it on the Z-axis up, no, grab, Z, nice. All right, now we need to, no, not a plane. Good God, get out of here, plane. Uh-huh. Cube. Bring that up. Size Z. Size Y. Good to go. Grab. All right, now cylinder. Nope. Yep. Good to go. Grab Z. Nope. Yep. Bring it down just a smidge. Join these together. Nope. Ooh. Uh, no. There we go. Is that? No, it's not. Okay. Good enough. Okay. Now we can join these. All right. Awesome. Okay. Now we need to tab it. Oh my. That's not gonna do. Okay. Uh, delete vertices. Oh my goodness. Fill. There we go. All right. Hmm. Fill. 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 There we go. Backside is good. Awesome. Okay. Duplicate. Nope. Grab forward a little bit. Size. No. There we go. And then we need to grab this. Grab a bowling. Take that. Fly. Good to go. That. What? What is up with that? Son of a gun. Are you serious? Okay, we'll size this on the x-axis. Bring that this way. Go into this. Nope. Delete face. Delete face. And now that's good to go. Awesome. Okay. All right, now we need... No, not a circle. Oh my goodness. Cylinder. There we go. Grab. Bring that up to about right there. 90. Good to go. Size. No. Yes. Bring that up. Size. To about right there. Good to go. No. Yep. No. And there we go. Oh, no, 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 no. I didn't want to grab that too. I wanted only that. Giant jerk. Jesus. There we go. And we can join those. Hold up. Let me take that, duplicate it, grab Z, bring that up and out just a little bit, and then we can join that. There we go. Now I need to bring that over there. Duplicate, grab X. To about right there. 90. Awesome. Grab X. Join. Good to go. Join. Awesome. That could have been bigger. There we go. Now, join. Much better. Okay. And now we just need... Oh, no. Duplicate, grab Z. Grab Y. size Z, size X, size Y. Grab Y. Well, size Y, because it's a little bit thick. Grab Y. A little bit further out. There we go. Okay. Ah, I should have. Oh well, it is what it is. I I should have kept that, but all good. No, I didn't want to do that. No, you stop with that. Okay, A. There we go. Okay, cylinder. Grab Z. R. No, wait. What? Rotate. 90. Good to go. No. Yes. Except it's not going to cooperate because I'm not all the way out here. Size Y. There we go. Grab Y. About right there. Size Y. Grab Y. In just a little bit. Awesome. Okay. Do. We can take that down a little bit. To about right there. Yeah. And that we can also take down. No. Oh my goodness. No. Right there. All right, the reason I'm doing this is because when you rotate it on this axis, you can now take it down. And same with this. Okay, so now I need to tab into this. We'll put that right there. And that is in too much, but that's okay. We're gonna fix that. All right. Good to go. No. Ah, you suck. There we go. Why does it always do that? Darn it. You are not nice. I want it to go down more. Jesus. No, not that way. Awesome. All right. Now it needs to go out a smidge. There we go. And this seems really, oh my goodness. It's like very compact. We need to take that out just a little bit more. There we go. Much better. And we have our mailbox. Woohoo! Now we just need to color. So let's do red so we can see it. Yellow. And then brown. There we go. So there's our mailbox. Woohoo. All right, I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.